Hi everybody. It's Lisa from Joyfully Art. I'm going to make another painting for you today. And believe it or not, I think this one will come out the day we are supposed to get home from our vacation. So I think I got them all. All right, I'm going to show you this. My last video. This was supposed to be the sink strainer. As you can see, it didn't turn out that way. Can't tell it was a sink strainer, but I think it's gorgeous. My husband even loved this one. He loved the yellow around the edge. I think it turned out beautiful. So if you're interested, just let me know. Okay, today, this is a 12 by 16 canvas, and I'm going to use this really pretty sea glass from Art Minds. Isn't that beautiful? Love this color. I'm going to cover the canvas with it, and then I'm going to do a circle Dutch pour, a small one, on this. I haven't done one for a while, and I like the smaller ones too, so we're going to do that. I had a smaller one, but I believe it sold. So I'm gonna try another one. I love this color, so we'll see how this does as a background. See if we have enough paint here. Let's hope so. I should have filled my butane up. It was getting low. Get these air bubbles out of here. Made the paint, so. If I don't have all my sides covered, I can go back afterwards and fill it in. There we go. All right, now start with getting our circle started. I'd like to have a paper towel to open these lids because you never know when they're going to spray out at you. Let's start. I want to try and get a halfway decent round circle. I'm going to try to use my little blower instead of the big hair dryer. And I think I'm off center a little bit. Put this one up a little bit higher. The big hair dryer just blows so hard that it, even on low, I haven't named my colors, but all of those will be listed in the description box below. All right, let's see if this will do it. I got my big hair dryer handy in case this isn't powerful enough. Let's see how it goes. Still colors under there, so we can still keep going out. It's so pretty. I want to do just, my doggies are wanting to go outside, but they're going to have to wait just a few more minutes before they get to go. I might start throwing a fit. So I want to get that yellow back up out of there. Hang on, I want to get my straw real quick. I don't want to blow. I want some in the middle. But I want to control it more with my straw than I do with the little blower. Oh, hit that. There we go. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's give it a torch. No painting's complete without a piece of dog hair. Thanks to my lab. All right, everybody, it looks really good. Love the sea glass background. All right, I want to remind everybody that my Etsy store is open. There's free shipping, so have a look there. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment if you so desire. Thank you for watching. Everybody, please be safe. Going to be on vacation, but I did get all my videos in, so I'm very happy about that. Share with your family and friends, please. And as always, have a great day. I'm sorry, folks. I forgot to give you your close-up. Isn't that beautiful? I love that chili powder in there. That's gorgeous. All right, how about now? Please have a great day.